Hello everybody, and do you know what day it is today? Today is October 4th. Yep. And you know what that means? Well, you probably don't. Well, this means Rarity has been here for exactly 2 months. Yup. Well, I came here at July 4th, and, yeah. So, that's basically what this vlog was about, or video, whatever. Also, this month is October, and since it's October, Halloween's coming soon. And if Halloween's coming soon, that means I'm gonna be able to make more Halloween videos, because the more it gets close to Halloween, the more Halloweenish videos I'll make. And later on, I should have an Halloween special that should be posted on Halloween, or like close to it. Ooh, I can't wait! And let me think. Oh yeah, this is so exciting! So bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.